Floating pop-up windows is a great way to keep an important app always visible while you do other stuff on your Android tablet. To use the floating windows, or pop-up windows as they're officially called, we'll first go to the app switcher. From here, you'll tap the icon on top of any app, and then from the menu, choose Open in Pop-up View. You can then use the blue handle on the top to drag and move the app across your screen, and then use your tablet normally to browse other apps while your floating window stays active on top of everything else. You can drag the corners of your floating app to resize it, and use that app simultaneously with whatever is going on in the background. If you hit the home button, the pop-up app gets minimized, but it doesn't go fully away. You'll see how the app icon remains on the screen, floating on top of everything else, and I can bring back my floating window by tapping the icon. If you tap the blue handle on the top of your window, you'll see options to close, expand, or maybe switch to the split screen view. And that's how you use the pop-up windows. Hit the like button if this helped you, and subscribe to get quick access to hundreds of tutorials like this.